if you're living down a Negril or even down a Mobay. Say you're not living at Kingston or St. Catherine, me still no want you feel no way. You see something on the internet, I want to get it in your hand. But I want you to worry yourself, cause we are your shipping man. Listen, yo, gonna ship it, me say we gonna ship it. Gonna ship it, me say we gonna ship it. If you live outside that Kingston, you will still a go ship it. If you live inside that Kingston, you will still a go pull up. A big tune, don't it? If you know say a big tune, click on the link and join us today. You know we are ready. We are your favorite shipping company. We allow you to purchase your stuff online and then we bring it into Jamaica for you, deal with customs, all of the headache, and then we get it delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. If you're in Kingston and St. Catherine, no problem, we bring it to your doorstep. If you're in the rural area, Negril, Mobia, outside of Kingston, we send it down through our exclusive partnership with Doorstep Express. And that's how we're doing now. We have these packages that we're sending down to all our customers down in the country. AC Comfort, Doorstep Express, you go inside there, all you have to do, walk with your ID, pick up your item, and you're good to go. So don't be afraid, shop online. You have a shipping company, you're not in a Kingston, you're not in a St. Catherine. You have a shipping company, we're going to get your items delivered to you. Alright? Go and go buy it and then we will ship it. Go and go buy it and then big up on yourself. Rural Jamaica, a Puno things here, it's a come.